What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more cases for your iPhone 11. This time we're looking at the lineup from Supcase. This is Unicorn Beetle Electro up top, Unicorn Beetle Sport right here, Unicorn Beetle Style right here. Let's get them on and let's check them out. So I have my iPhone 11 right here in hand. I got the white variant and we're gonna start right here. The Unicorn Beetle Style is one of the most minimalistic type cases that they have. It's just basically a rubber bumper that goes around here, soft TPU, but it does have hard rubberized edges. You can see that color all the way through, no issues with that. You will put fingerprints on the back of here, so if you're scared of fingerprints, stay away from this case. But if you wanna see that color that you purchased, go out and grab one of these. Now, you get a bezel that runs all the way around. Your buttons, nice and clicky on either side. All your cutouts match up down bottom. Everything looks good. Big shouts out to Fernando Silva. He just left me a comment on one of my other videos. Big supporter. Go by and check out his channel. He's doing big things with iPad, iPad Pro, iPad OS, and all other types of tech. So go by and check him out. I'll leave a link to his latest video down below. So check this out. Wireless charging is a go. It's on deck. Nothing to worry about with that. Unicorn Beetle Style for your iPhone 11. I'll leave a link below so you can go and check this out for yourself. So the next set of cases we're going to be looking at are the Unicorn Beetle Sport. Now these are nice sporty cases with little holes in the back. Tough TPU. Screen on the front. Now last year's model actually had no screen. So they've taken last year's model, gave it that screen, made that nice improvement. Ladies, they even got a color for you. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna drop my iPhone. I'm gonna unlock it. Screen always goes on first. So ladies, pop that on. Drop this down in there. Drop this down in like so, and there we go. Unicorn Beetle Sport. This is a nice sporty case. You ladies can rock this. Guys, you got the colors too. They got blue and they got black for guys. And ladies, you can pick up this purple and pink. But buttons, nice and tactile. We don't want to Apple Pay anybody. Nice and tactile on the sides over here. Cutouts match up really nice on sides and down bottom. Feels really good in the hand. It's not slippery. You got a nice gripping back right here, and the holes actually allow for a layer of protection. When you drop, the air just kind of pushes through. No issues whatsoever. Wireless charging is a go. No issues with that. This is Unicorn Beetle Sport for the new iPhone 11. So next up, we are going to be looking at the Unicorn Beetle Electro series. And this is probably my favorite color out of all of them. This green, it's like an olive green and a shiny green put together. I call it greeny green. But there we go. Boom, boom, pop that in. 2 layers of protection. You got the front screen and you got the back. Rubberized TPU camera. Nice and protected right there. Buttons, nice and tactile on each side. Then we got our cutouts. They're matching up real nice. Looks good. You got that shininess of that green on the outside, and then you got the dull green on the inside on that screen. They kind of help each other out, but you get your Supcase branding right there. You can still see that phone through there. You got a nice bezel, so if you drop it, make way cases, you drop them. No screen issues, nothing whatsoever. Nothing happens to your screen. So you got the double layer protection. You got the, if I can get this all the way on, perfect. There we go. You want to make sure you got it all the way snapped in, all the way around. You got the bezel here. You got the plastic screen here. You got 2 layers of protection for that screen, that almost $1,000 screen on this phone. But it's a nice case. It looks good. Comes in different colors, as you can see in the back. You get a blue, you get a black, and you get a purple. Nice cases by Supcase. You can still see your phone. You can protect your phone. Nice, stylish, and always on point. So there we go, guys. Supcase Unicorn Beetle lineup. We got the Electro, we got the Sport, and we got the Style, all right here for your brand new iPhone 11. I'll drop links below so you can check these out for yourself, but hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.